Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one's nicely equipped with the Essential package. We recently took this one on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This one's no exception. Serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis, are very familiar with them. This one, as I mentioned, has the Essential package, which gives you essential features like navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 split fold-down rear seats, driver's seat power lumbar support, and remote engine start. The Essential package was $2,650. 2018 is an awesome year for the Q50 because it got its first major revision since it was introduced in 2014 as a brand new model. For 2018, they did a restyling of the front and rear on the outside, and they also did a restyling of the interior. We have this nice wood trim, a little bit different style for the shifter, different style of steering wheel as well. Same steering wheel that we previously saw in the Q60 Coupe. So we have a moonroof, nice leather interior, beautiful contrast stitching, synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard. So we have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivities, traction and stability control settings. You can adjust it with this button here, or you can also drill down a little bit deeper and personalize it here as well. Then we have active trace control that breaks individual wheels to help you rotate through the corners a little bit better. You can shut that system on or off. This one has 32,101 miles at the time of making this video. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan, but don't let the compact classification fool you. Compact cars these days are actually pretty spacious. Cars have a tendency to grow over the years, so maybe what this was 10 years ago or 15 years ago is a little bit larger. So this one has really nice interior space for a compact sedan. I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I'm 6'2". You can still have plenty of legroom, headroom back here. Well, you can't say I have plenty of headroom, but you can see I have plenty of legroom back here. So some people will look at the Q50 and they'll like, well, isn't that just like a rebadged Nissan Altima because it's the same size? Well, no, the Altima is actually based on a completely different platform, built in a completely different factory than the Q50. The Altima is based on a front-wheel drive platform. It's built in North America. It's kind of built more to a budget. The Q50 is not built more to a budget. This is a premium luxury sedan designed to compete with some of the best vehicles in its class. So this actually has lots of sports car pedigree. It's based on the advanced front midship platform that they also use on the Nissan 370Z. So it's based on a rear-wheel drive sports car platform. It's built and assembled in Japan, so if you do value Japanese build quality, the Q50 delivers. And the reason why they call this platform the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle to improve balance and handling. So with that more mid-engined bias has really nice weight distribution, and it's a very, very fun to drive vehicle. But it also has another trick up its sleeve. This one's not just rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard in the Q50, but this actually has the optional ATTESA all-wheel drive system. ATTESA stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. It's a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system, originally derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. The reason why it's intelligent is that when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive. That gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. That also helps save on gas, fuel economy, helps improve fuel economy. But this car has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions. So as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. So it definitely improves your wet weather performance. With 300 horsepower, a rear-wheel drive version of the Q50 would quickly get overwhelmed by the lower traction you have in wet, slippery conditions, but this all-wheel drive system is just the opposite. It grips and goes. No wheel spin, this thing just takes off. You can really get in the power a little bit earlier through these corners, and that all-wheel drive system will pull you through. My FX37 has a version of this all-wheel drive system, and recently we had some lowland snow and it did remarkable. I've driven plenty of Infinitis in the snow. I've been with Infiniti 17 years, and I actually worked at Infiniti of Boston for a year. And I can tell you, we got a lot of snow back in Boston, and I've had a chance to drive a lot of these Infinitis with the ATTESA all-wheel drive system, and it's remarkable. I love it, and that's why I own an Infiniti with this same all-wheel drive system. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.